booty. She keep that pump, that natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, 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 till you see it. Back, back, yeah. Back, 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 till you see it from the back, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shuntell. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're oldie, then what's up, what's good, welcome back. So today we're doing a vlog. I'm just literally going to be showing you everything. I might not be talking too much. It's just all show and tell. Right now I'm just not waking up. It is so late in the day, it don't make no sense. But yeah, thank you guys. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe because there are great things on the way. Yeah, let me go ahead and brush my teeth, wash my face, get my day started, and I'm gonna just show you guys what I do to try to stay productive, or just what I do. Alright guys, hey, so we in the kitchen with it. I done brushed my teeth, washed my face, brushed my hair a little bit. I also put on my waist trainer. As you've seen, I love this waist trainer. I'm actually going to do Amazon favorites, so then you guys can shop. This same waist trainer is bomb, okay? But I'm about to eat breakfast. I don't quite know what I want. I'm thinking a bagel with avocado. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Or I can do a smoothie. I have been loving acai bowls. I love them. Like, I love nuts and all that, all the fruit and stuff, and making it cute. So, but see, I don't think I have time to be making an acai bowl. I want something real quick, kind of light, kind of a little fat, because I am kind of hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna do a bagel. So I decided to steam and dermaplane my face. I cleaned up my brows and extra hair that I had using my exfoliating razor. I do use conditioner to shave. It makes the hair softer, and after shaving, I use the Tint Skin, which is perfect if you have sensitive skin like me. Everything that I used will be in the description box. So it's late in the day. I am about to go to the grocery store. I had to make a list because I always need lists if I go grocery shopping. But I don't need too much. I mainly need like meat, some juice. I don't know, not too much, but yeah, I'm on the way to the grocery store. See y'all in a little bit. All right, so we are back home. I just wanted to show you what all we got. I got eggs. These are my boyfriend's. These are the egg rolls that I've been loving. I thought we had 2 of these. I don't know.
Yeah, we do.
We got the meats. We got some chicken, pork chops, and some tenderloins. We also got some shrimp. We had to stock up on our body wash. I'm trying this new Caress. Well, I don't know if it's new, but I guess it is new. But yeah, we gotta get some body wash, lemons, bananas. I want to make some banana pudding, but our second stop was supposed to be Publix because Kroger didn't have any wafers. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna go in the morning, but I got half of everything. We got salmon. This is the salmon that I love to cook with. We got spinach, cheese, some potatoes. I never had those. I hope these are good. We got some muffins, lettuce, onions, more veggies, steak fries, more veggies, avocado, bell pepper, Caesar kits. We also got some lobster. It's freaking lit. Yeah, it's lit. We got milk. I only got milk because of the banana pudding, cheese, French onion, chips, bread. We also want to make a cake, but it's actually my birthday this week, so I might make myself a cake, bake myself a cake. I think that's what I'm gonna do. We also got more chips, catfish. Love these catfish from Kroger, super good. Bread, and I want to cook a roast. This was just already made, so I was like, yeah, I want to do that. Yeah, grocery shopping is done for the week. All right, so the groceries are up and we are cooking the egg rolls. So good. And then I got the salmon defrosting. I'm gonna definitely show you guys what I cooked tonight. So yeah, salmon tonight with some other stuff. Stay tuned. y'all, I'm over here watching the haves or have nots, and it's just crazy. But I love it. Let me know what you guys are binge watching. It has to be like A1. And I'm also editing another video. Oh shit, that is the video. But yeah, they crazy on here. Tyler Perry is doing it. And I love Tika Sumpter. She is a beautiful, beautiful chocolate queen. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. They're so crazy. But yeah, good night.